Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Boulevard, right in front of the Park MGM. I just came out of Eataly. I got my Pellegrino. Gonna head back in and check out the Park MGM. It's been about, boy, that light is bright, isn't it? I'm gonna check out the Park MGM. It's been about a year since I've been in there, so let's go in together and see if anything's changed, shall we?
Last time I was here, I said it was about a year ago. I think it was more like 9 or 10 months ago. I stopped by, or I walked by La La Noodle, and I said to myself, I think I even said it in the video, I've got to do more noodle reviews in these casinos since they're everywhere. And since then, I've done quite a few, even on the cruise. La La Noodle is Park MGM's noodle shop, serving Pan-Asian cuisine. Every time I come to the Park MGM, this House of Gaga is closed, and today is no exception. It says the House of Gaga Las Vegas is an ever-changing experience featuring Lady Gaga's most iconic fashion pieces. Like I said, I can only window shop because it's always closed, but it does look like they change these pieces quite often, but some of this stuff looks like it's been around for a few years now. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. The Park MGM has 32 floors, including a 102,000 square foot casino floor with 1,400 slot machines, 60 table games, and 15 poker tables. It's owned by VC Properties and operated by MGM Resorts International. The hotel offers 2,992 guest rooms, including 259 luxury suites. The Monte Carlo, which it was formerly known as, was converted into the Park MGM between 2016 and 2018, with the upper floors being converted into a boutique hotel known as Nomad Las Vegas. On January 25, 2008, a 3-alarm fire was reported on the exterior of the top 6 floors of the hotel. Portions of the hotel's facade burned with some debris falling and starting smaller secondary fires on ledges 3 floors below. The hotel closed and reopened about 3 weeks later, with MGM officials putting the fire damage at a loss of business just under $100 million. Investigators determined the likely cause of the fire was improper welding by a construction crew on the roof. This is Primrose, and they believe that breakfast is better without a deadline, and garden parties with Bubbles are the best way to brunch. Now, I've never met Bubbles, but from what I understand, she's a lot of fun. This is Bavette's Steakhouse and Bar. Bavette's embraces French flair without the formality, blending fine dining with unabashed fun. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And speaking of super thanks, a big thank you to Dan Kraft, otherwise known around here as Real Unc D, who left a nice super thanks on my last Las Vegas video, the Excalibur. Thanks so much for your support, Dan, and also thank you for all your hard work on that Facebook page. There's a New York fan Facebook page that Dan maintains and started himself, and if you're interested in that, there's a link in the description below. Thanks again, Dan. And it just wouldn't be a Las Vegas hotel without a speakeasy, and the one here at the Park MGM is called On the Record, Unexpected Discoveries and Songs That Stop You in Your Tracks. The joy of hanging out in a record store is the inspiration for Park MGM's speakeasy and club experience. This is Mama Rabbit, one of my favorite lounges here at the Park MGM. Mama Rabbit is an ode to mezcals and tequilas from all across Mexico. How many tequila drinkers do we have out there? Leave a comment below. Best Friend is a Korean barbecue joint by Roy Choi. You gotta love that name. Did I mention Eataly is here at the Park MGM, one of my favorite Las Vegas hangouts? That's a totally separate video, however, so check it out here on the New Yawk channel. And outside, in front of the Park MGM along the Las Vegas Strip, is the Crack Shack. It's a gourmet fried chicken eatery known for its one-of-a-kind menu items. Hey everybody, check out the New Yawk store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New Yawk swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New Yawk store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New Yawk videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.